we goes on to the final questions. Number 15. First step, bracket them, bracket them, bracket them, bracket them, because all the things have two terms. And then second step, factorize it one by one. Okay, if you don't know how to do, just cancel out terms, then it's totally wrong, you get 0 marks. And then you can cancel these 4 out, these 2 can cancel, these 2 can cancel. Okay, so it will be 2 times 15 over 3 times 4. So it's 2 and 5, 5 for 2. Okay, and with the mark given, it will be each one will have 0.5 marks, already 2 marks here, and you cancel out things, you will get another 2 marks. And this one also, you bracket all the things with more than one term. This is the first step. The second step, you're taking out the common factor. One mark, another 1 mark, change the sign, no mark. Just take out denominator 1 minus x and take out c as common factor. So now you see, actually you cannot cancel out further, because it's x minus 1 is a plus 1, cannot cancel, but you can group them in a nicer way. These two are very similar, just have a negative side. Okay, give a negative sign here, negative bn, and then x minus 1 all square. And the numerator with m times c times a minus 1 all square. And negatives, you should put it in the numerator. So the final answer will be this. For 17, okay, first step, you bracket all the things. Don't cancel out anything yet. And then you factorize every term. Cannot factorize, still you treat this one as a whole factor. Let's see if you can cancel anything. Okay, you can cancel all things later on. And this one, you put it in the denominator and then take out 6 as common factor. Okay, b plus 1 can be cancelled, a plus 2 can be cancelled, so it'll be 3 times 24, all the things are cancelled, and already remaining 3 times a minus 1 times 6. And goes on with the number 3 and 3 cancel, 6 and 24 cancel, become 4 only, and the denominator is a minus 1. Okay, no need to have bracket. And for this one, okay, don't cancel out terms, bracket. This one, x plus y, x minus y, using the identity. But for these two terms, not minus, cannot be factorized, then just keep it. Okay, and then in denominator is the whole thing, 3 terms. Okay, you can see, okay, there's a perfect square identity, x squared minus 2xy plus xy squared. It's exactly the same, x minus y all square. That means you have 2 of x minus y, and the numerator is 1 here. So you can cancel out 1 and still go on x plus y, and the denominator, it will be x squared plus y squared, and then 1 left. And the numerator don't have other things, and then you can remove the bracket, and that's already the end. For the last question, what we do in the first step is bracket all the numerator, denominator, and then you take out common factor, x, y plus x, grouping, and then these two group negative, and then bracket y plus 1. Okay, this one factorize and factorize. This one, if you don't familiar with your factorization, you should revise. 4 terms, also grouping. Okay, try grouping. These two, x cubed and x squared, have a degree of 1 less. These two and also have degree 1 less. So try to group these two and then group minus bracket x minus 1. Okay, this one is minus because minus times minus is positive, and then you can take a common factor here, x and then 1 times y plus 1. We will have common factor later on. This one you take x squared as common factor, x minus 1, and then minus x minus 1. And then you still go on this. Okay, 6 and 4 can be simplified as 3 over 2. And you keep on this stuff first. And then the numerator keep on factorize. You don't know, okay, this one asks you to simplify, but you have to know, oh, this one you have to factorize it. Most of the marks are given for factorization. And now you can try factorization. Okay, this y plus 1 you cancel first, and x minus 1 you cancel first. Now numerator 3 and then 1 minus x, and denominator is 2 and then x squared minus 1. Can x squared minus 1 be factorized further? Let's see, square and 1 is also 1 square, so we can take out as 1 and can share 1 square, and you can put it become x plus 1 times x minus 1. So if you change this sign to negative 3 x minus 1 over 2 x plus 1 x minus 1, and then you can cancel out this factor, and the final answer will be like this. Okay, this is so crazy. Okay, technical.